The Joint Action Committee Rangthong area that include the Rangthong KSU units, villages under Rangthong area and the Rangthong Taxi Drivers Association had met the Executive Engineer PWD Maukarwat Division to apprise him of the pathetic road condition between Maukarwat and Rangthong village, especially at Mau Merang. The Executive Engineer PWD Maukarwat Division, M. Mauro, informed that the contractors had already kept all materials ready, but repair work was delayed due to inclement weather. However, he assured the JAC that repair work of the particular road would be initiated as soon as the dry season sets in.
Apo ke office jong PWD hang ni nang mengenyo ban kren ban penpau ya ki jing ke mangi kenduk lengba ka jing sriu palat jong ka surok ya kane kalan jong i nadu nang ni Maukarwat syadu Rangthong te ka bakam sriu palat pede kalong hagitu gi jaka badon ka kene ka jaka ban sna ban te ya ka nabodaya menta bat ka jing sriu lalong siapa palat teh bangi kren menta bat i hang ni ting 8 pau ya kita ki jing kum kata kajing rit pelat ke surok nang ta kajing seni bekarong kala menta kahajing sya ke surok rong re menta ka kala sai lu tu surok rong kala sudon setang ki mau sudah kala don setang ki kliu te kala long sya kajing hadu kata nang ta ki kalirit ban yat nelor ka tu ka surok te hoj nyo ka kajing kular na i hang ne ong bangan sa le ya ka ba don kam tam le tu engi bai ka tu surok na kaliang jong ki kontraktor kila kit ya ki mau ki chip ten rain mar ka jing penwit no jong ni slap kaliur mar bala lap poi no kaliur te kala sa teng no kumto te mentangi la karpadi i ba la kumno ndi ban pa sedang no ba ku melong mata bala poi te jaka bunsin kesenjar lan kipai bagi haban hiar shua berkali-kali haban penlait shua ya lade bat hadin lagi sakiu biang te tangkum tang kme lenti ba kumbala kular do i nang ne te ngin sayo sya tu so